How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. Today we're going to be discussing how North Korea is recently upping its naval forces because it used to be the weakest branch of their military, and they have recently shown off some new major powerful vessels. So North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has publicly acknowledged a significant transformation in the capability of North Korea's Navy, previously considered the weakest branch of its entire military. And this acknowledgement is the recent of the commissioned new 5,000-ton multi-mission destroyer called the Chaehyung. According to North Korean state media, this warship represents a breakthrough in naval combat technology for the country, with Kim Jong-un describing its operational and combat capabilities as the most perfect and complex. The new destroyer is claimed to be a product of indigenous North Korean technology, but visual evidence suggests it incorporates a weapon system similar to Russia's Pantsir M, implying some degree of Russian technical support. Kim presented the commissioning of the Chaehyung as a strategically crucial development, tightly linked with strengthening North Korea's nuclear deterrent forces. Kim also emphasized that North Korea's program to equip its navy with nuclear weapons is progressively unerringly highlighting a broader strategic vision. More alarmingly to external observers, Kim revealed plans to build two Chaehyung class or larger surface combatants annually, so one or more per year, which is pretty crazy, including larger 10,000-ton cruiser ships as part of North Korea's current 5-year defense development plan that he's doing right now. These plans indicate a significant naval expansion and modernization effort. The development of these advanced warships has also brought attention to the urgent need for modern naval infrastructure, with Kim noting that building contemporary Navy bases is now a pressing issue. The Chaehyung destroyer's official role is to defend the West Sea and provide deterrence against any war from any country. A notable event during the commissioning involved Kim personally visiting the destroyer and even gifting the crew binoculars engraved with his name, symbolizing his support and confidence. A senior officer vowed that the crew would, quote, bravely advance wherever needed, signifying high morale and operational readiness. So the Chaehyung destroyer, its displacement is approximately 5,000 tons, and it's a multi-mission capable with very sophisticated and complex operation and mission potential, possibly equipped with weapons resembling the Russian Pantsir M missile systems. And the strategic importance is the enhancement of North Korea's naval nuclear deterrence, symbolizes a shift in its Navy combat capability, and part of a broader defense plan, including larger ships in the near future, approaching 2030, as well as infrastructure development. Now, future Navy plans for North Korea is building two Chaehyung class, or even bigger surface ships per year. Construction of 10,000-ton class cruisers is already underway, and it looks like North Korea is really upping its Navy. Now, its urgent need and demand to develop modern Navy bases was very crucial, as the Navy was the weakest wing and branch of North Korea's military, right? But the operational role and morale, tasked with defense and deterrence in the West Sea, high morale reflected by Kim's personal interaction with his crew. And the initial commissioning date is North Korea commissions the 5,000-ton Chaehyung destroyer immediately after warship undergoes weapon system tests, confirming combat ability. In the near future, coming up, approaching these last years of the 2020s, its annual plan is to build 2 Chaehyungs, or I guess we have to wait to find out in the near future if North Korea is gonna build larger vessels every year, 2 per year, which is pretty crazy. That's very ambitious for Kim Jong-un and North Korea there, but it very well could be possible, right? Now, so North Korea, basically the point of this video is it's rapidly modernizing and expanding its navy, shifting its status from the weakest branch to a potentially formidable maritime force. The Chaehyung destroyer symbolizes this change, equipped with complex weapon systems, likely augmented by foreign technology from the Russians, but long-term plans for naval construction and infrastructure signal a commitment to sustained maritime military growth. The linkage between naval modernization and nuclear deterrent strategy confirms the growing strategic role of naval forces in North Korea's defense posture. Kim Jong-un's direct involvement is in commissioning and supporting the destroyer, highlighting the political and symbolic importance of these naval advancements, as he fully attended, did a speech alongside his daughter, of course, and they saw basically this new Chaehyung, new phenomenal warship, which it does look pretty impressive and powerful. I mean, and we will see, we'll find out if they're going to be building 2 of these massive, powerful warships per year. Just a little bit of breaking war military news. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you learned something or just found this video entertaining, check out my older content on the channel. Subscribe, especially if you are a new viewer. Make sure you ring the bell, that way you don't miss any videos that I post in the future. And smash the like button. A thumbs up is greatly appreciated, guys. It really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm, and it actually only takes a few seconds, and it pushes my videos to new eyes and new people to check out. So thank you very much. I hope you have a decent week, and until next time, I will see you in the next video.